Welcome to a one-of-a-kind luxury retreat in the prestigious Bluffs neighborhood of Mammoth Lakes. This is a place where elegance meets mountain comfort. Nestled in the heart of one of Mammoth's most sought-after areas, this stunning Craftsman-style home is an exceptional find. As you step inside, you'll immediately be struck by the warm hardwood floors and the open, inviting floor plan. Every inch of this home has been thoughtfully designed, blending timeless elegance with the natural beauty of the mountains. The heart of this home is undoubtedly the great room. It's a place designed for both relaxation and entertaining. It offers a double kitchen with premium appliances, dual sinks, dual dishwashers, and a wraparound counter bar. High coffered ceilings add to the grandeur of the room, while the floor-to-ceiling gas log fireplace creates the perfect ambience for those chilly mountain nights. On the main level, you'll find the spacious primary suite, which is a true sanctuary. It has its own gas log wood stove, 2 large closets, and a luxurious ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, a dual-head steam shower, and a large jacuzzi tub, both with amazing views. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day of skiing or hiking. Step outside onto your own private deck and take in the breathtaking village views, or relax in the outdoor hot tub, ideal for après-ski relaxation. Also on the main level is an additional bedroom or office, complete with its own gas log fireplace and stunning views. Upstairs, you'll find a second family room along with access to a deck that has amazing mountain views. Also upstairs is an ensuite bedroom with 2 additional bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath. Each bedroom has its own vanity, offering plenty of privacy for everyone. This home sits on an oversized lot, nearly 0.7 acres, giving you plenty of space for outdoor activities and expansion. The sellers went the extra mile, completing an official lot split on the neighboring lot to ensure their views and privacy remained protected. Located in one of Mammoth's most desirable neighborhoods, this gorgeous home offers a rare opportunity to live luxuriously, surrounded by the natural beauty of the Sierra Nevada mountains.